Hey beautiful people, putting together my new air conditioner. Yay! Just taking it out of the box right here. My scissors are kind of dull, so I just ripped the box. Oh, by the way, it's a 6000 BTU TCL. Okay, so we getting it out of the box right now. And right here, I'm just making sure it works. And by the way, I didn't use any of the screws that came with it. Well, only the three to put the top rail on. And you'll see at the end where I just take it in the window. Right here, just screwing the screws in. And at first, I was like, hold on, wait a minute, what's going on? Because it seemed like that it was kind of loose. But after I Googled, which I didn't find anywhere in the handbook, that it stated that they were supposed to be kind of loose. And so after I Googled it, I was like, oh, okay, well, we on the right track. We on the right path. And now we're just about to slide in the side panels. Okay, so we got both of the side panels on now. Putting the foam in the window to keep the air drafts out. I was kind of scared too, so I set a chair outside of the window just in case it was gonna fall out if I had put it in right. But amen, thank you Lord, we had it. Me picking it up, putting it in the window all by myself. Yeah. And we got it in. Yes, we did. Starting to put the tape on and tape it down and hold the side panels, which is like I said before because I didn't use the screws. don't mind me. I'm looking extra cute right now in work
Coming
mode.
along, I hope.
And voila, we got it in, but still have some taping to do. Okay, so we got it in now and got all of the tape around it. And this is the final results. I love y'all always. Be great and be blessed. Until next time. And thank you for watching if you did.